What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Truth, and today's video is a video about a sneaker. Have you ever had that feeling where think back and you missed out on a release? It's a shoe that you really wanted. You had it circled on your release calendar. You got notification, and for whatever reason it is, you missed this drop. Maybe you didn't have the funds at the moment, or maybe you didn't hit on any raffles. You just missed that shoe. So you've been monitoring, you've been watching it. GOAT, OfferUp, eBay, StockX, whatever means. If you're on sneaker groups, you know, trying to offload some other shoes, swap to get this shoe. You don't want to pay that resale price for it, and you're just hoping that one day, someday, somehow, the sneaker guys are gonna bless you with that shoe. That feeling is what I'm feeling today, because I finally got my hands on a shoe that I really wanted. It's a shoe that I missed out on the drop last year. That's a classic shoe, and I've been waiting to add it to my collection. So today, I'm gonna be reviewing a shoe that you guys have seen 1,000 reviews on it. But for me, it's a special review. So I hope you sneakerheads out there, sneaker lovers that can relate to this video, can feel where I'm coming from right now, the excitement that I have right now to unbox and show you guys this shoe, even though you've seen it a million times. Today, I'm gonna be unboxing my own very pair, finally, to add to my collection, the Air Jordan 11 Breads. Let's do it.
Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's in air. As I'm walking upstairs, I prefer that you follow me up there, but you still gotta know what you wear. I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the best care. Introducing a fresh new brand, following the dreams.
Alright, so before we go into unboxing this shoe, let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Go and subscribe to the channel. Trying to reach 5K by my birthday. 5K by my birthday. 5K by my birthday. That kind of rhymes. Maybe I can get a theme song going or something like that. But we really want to hit 5K by my birthday. My birthday's in June. Making some strides, you know what I'm saying? So let's help your boy out by doing that, you know what I'm saying? But only if you're feeling the content. Only if you're feeling the content, you know what I'm saying? But hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you can get a notification anytime I drop a video. And then share and comment below, man. I love to interact with you guys talking about these shoes. So, my pair of the Air Jordan 11 Breads. You know what I'm saying? So, this shoe dropped in December. It was December release. And for those of you that's been rocking with me, y'all know that I missed out on it because I had some different... it wasn't a financial situation, but like kind of a financial situation, I guess. My identity was stolen and somebody wiped my bank account, and I went to purchase the shoe and I didn't have the funds to purchase the shoe, which is an embarrassment, but hey, it is what it is. Somebody actually got my pair, so salute to them, because now I have my pair. You guys seen this review, but I just wanted to unbox them, you know what I'm saying, because that's what I do. So the box is a little bit different. You got the black and orange box instead of the standard pull-out box here that we're normally used to, which I'm okay that they did this. But so you have the boxes a little bit different. You have the color code on the box: black, true red, and white. Air Jordan 11. The suggested retail was $220. You know what I'm saying? You do have the Nike branding on the side of the box. On the front of the box, you have engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world. Inside of the box, as we open it up, you do have the Air Jordan card. It says Air Jordan 11. The Air Jordan 11 is one of the most iconic silhouettes in the history of sneakers. This season, Jordan Brand celebrates this model by delivering detailed craftsmanship, honoring MJ's first Triple Crown run. League MVP, All-Star MVP, Finals MVP. This instant classic will leave you saying, it's gotta be the shoes. You know what I'm saying? So just black paper. And the inside of the box, woo! Bruh. Like, I don't think people understand, man. Like, hold on. Bruh. Man, I don't think people understand, bro. Comment below if you understand what that feeling when you finally get that shoe that you've been wanting. Dude, none of the other shoes matter. You know what I'm saying? Like none of them matter until you get that one that you've been wanting and you miss out on it. It's just like, man, like, it's crazy. But we have here, you know, it's the standard joint 11. They did put the 23 back on the back of this shoe, and I like that better than the 45. So I appreciate Nike for doing that. The red Jumpman logo right beside the 23 on the upper. The patent leather. I think they stuck with the. It looks like they stuck with the high patent leather on these, if I'm not mistaken. They didn't go back to the low cut, which I love the high cut on them anyway. You have the white along the midsole, up under the patent leather, and then on the bottom you have the red gum translucent bottom with the black tread marks, the black Jordan logo, and the carbon fiber, white and black carbon fiber plate on the inner middle of the shoe on the bottom. Along the front, you got the standard, you know, like I said, it's just the standard Jordan 11. You got the Jumpman logo with the strap in the middle. On the inside of the shoe, you do have the Nike Air branding, which is a dope touch. No Nike Air branding anywhere else on the shoe. And then they do come with the red shoe trees on the inside of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? It's not as candy paint like, you know, in the past they had the spackle on there. You know what I'm saying? They didn't go that route with it. But you know, it's a shoe tree. It's better than the hard plastic. But they did not put the paper on the inside of this or the little inserts along with this, you know. So they did leave us out a little bit of the other things that we're used to kind of give us that premium feeling, if you ask me. Because like I said, just the extra stuff in the pad and the paperwork in it was, you know, it was a lot, man. These shoes to come packed up, you know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, just real quick, all in all, I'm super excited that I got this shoe. You guys let me know if you were able to get them, and if you're still waiting for them, I think the resale for them on GOAT and StockX is between $270 and $350. I think that's what they're going for, which is not too bad. It's a little bit markup, but if you really want this shoe, it's the way to go. I ended up getting mine off of one of my boys. I got them for retail. I didn't pay the resale price for it, so that's a blessing in itself. So anyway, you guys let me know what you think about this video. Leave a comment below. What is the shoe that you have been waiting for and you finally got, and you were just super hype about? Or what is the shoe that you're waiting for that you missed out on, that you're hoping to cop in the future, and that you're watching on StockX GOAT every single day, man? It's your boy Truth. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Appreciate you guys. God bless. I'm out.
When you shop, are you looking for authentic? If you aren't, then stop, cause you probably will regret it. We say no synthetic, no synthetic. If they read it, we'll let you know if you should go and